Dog, not even know what going with the car, dog. Man, we can't even get it with dog. Dog, you want it?
Oh, man, how do you?
Yo, the last mechanic boy, me carry everything down, dog, fucked up in the dog.
Well, me know one over there, sir.
Up there, sir?
Yeah.
Where else you walk on?
Yeah, man, when you feel like you think I clean this to this.
Brother, you're done said, you know.
Duns, but duns get whole heap of work though. How much work me get more than you a day? Yeah?
Well, you're done said,
Come out just say in a button up like a church you go and thing like you think of some mechanic work. But oh yeah man.
Oh, well, some too clean.
What work you look?
Oh no, I'm mechanic, brother. You like too clean.
I mean, pull and put on with David over here saying, what you say? No, right man, you come to daddy. You know all about car, you know, pull and put on school, I'm going to. What you say, you know? Yeah, man, so what you say? Yeah. That done. That done.
Done said, no, know about mechanic here.
Yo, leave your son, man, and this is what you do. This is what you do, brother.
Well, you're done said, dog. I just asked me going over there.
Yeah, man, everything nice, my brother. When you come back, there, do the road do not do. You understand what I'm saying? Next hour, everything nice, my friend. Speed it.
Oh, yo, what's that, brother? What's that? I'm label thing them in my youth. What you do?
Man, come out of my work now, you know nothing.
My youth.
Listen, man, just go on about your business. Go on about your business, brother. Let me do what I have to do. The people are not coming
Man,
up.
label thing, my youth.
I want to see that youth, man.
Oh, mad man.
Trevor, come help me with this. I will never work this, you know, man.
Yeah, I did.
You never did?
I would have carried the right
Sorry for the one for this. Oh, no, come right.
Yeah,
Near there, man.
Yeah, I want to see crash.
Yeah, no, I found the car, you know. I found the car. I found the car. Just shoot me off the record and they said the fan bell. So me I try, yeah, yo, the amount of work I put on in this, that day. Me I telling the brother, all some of the cable them up to move.
Mike, just say, me I tell the man, say the man on a sense, brother, and now give me the right man, you tell him, oh, no, move so down. Look what the man take out of the car, watch it.
Watch out.
Do you kind of things, man, you.
You know, say I'm bad man,
After them chatting after this, I'll be a rum and drink, I'll be a rum and drink over the car.
You know, say from the man them come here want to work, from them take the work. Give them the work, Daddy. Daddy, give them the work, car. Me done. You know, I give up the self on this.